Welcome. Today, we dive into the fascinating topic of the impact of nature on mental health. The beauty of a blooming flower, the serenity of a flowing river, the awe-inspiring spectacle of a mountain peak. These are not just aesthetically pleasing, they also have profound effects on our mental health. Research has shown that nature can be a powerful ally in maintaining mental well-being. A study published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology revealed that spending just 20 minutes in a park, even without exercising, was enough to improve mood. Another study found that exposure to nature significantly reduced stress levels, as measured by cortisol, a stress hormone. The tranquility of nature also promotes relaxation. The rhythmic patterns of the natural world, the rustling of leaves, the ebb and flow of tides, the chirping of birds, can soothe our overstimulated minds, providing a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Nature, it seems, holds the key to our mental well-being. Nature therapy, or ecotherapy, offers a unique approach to mental health treatment. This technique is grounded in the idea that humans are intrinsically connected to their natural environment. It's designed to harness the healing power of nature and utilize it as a tool for mental health improvement. There are various types of nature therapy. For instance, horticultural therapy uses garden-related activities to improve mental well-being. Forest bathing, on the other hand, encourages people to immerse themselves in the calming atmosphere of a forest to reduce stress. The benefits of nature therapy are manifold. It can help alleviate symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress, while also enhancing mood and promoting relaxation. The simple act of being in nature can create a sense of peace and tranquility, aiding in emotional regulation and cognitive functioning. Now you may wonder, how can you incorporate nature therapy into your daily life? Incorporating nature therapy into your life is simpler than you might think. You don't have to venture deep into the wilderness to experience the benefits of nature therapy. In fact, the techniques can be as straightforward as your daily walk to the park, or as involved as a weekend getaway to the countryside. The key is to immerse yourself in the natural world, to let it envelop you, and to breathe in its restorative essence. Let's start with the basics. An easy and effective way to incorporate nature into your routine is to take daily walks in natural settings. This could be a stroll through a local park, a trek along a riverside path, or a ramble across open fields. The idea is to let the sights, sounds, and smells of nature wash over you, helping to calm your mind and rejuvenate your spirit. Gardening is another great way to immerse yourself in nature. It's a calming, meditative practice that not only connects you to the earth, but also allows you to create and nurture life. Whether you're growing flowers, vegetables, or herbs, the act of planting and tending to a garden can be incredibly therapeutic. If you're a fan of wildlife, birdwatching could be just the thing for you. It encourages patience and attentiveness, and there's a certain satisfaction in spotting a rare species or observing the behaviors of different birds. Plus, it's a great excuse to spend time outdoors. And remember, you don't necessarily have to do anything. Sometimes just being in nature can be enough. Find a quiet spot, perhaps under a tree or by a stream, and simply sit. Listen to the rustling leaves, the babbling water, the chirping birds. Feel the sun on your skin, the grass under your feet. Take a moment to just be, to breathe, to connect with the world around you. These are just a few ways to incorporate nature therapy into your everyday life. The important thing is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your routine. Remember, the goal is to connect with nature in a meaningful way. Nature therapy doesn't just benefit mental health. It's a veritable treasure trove of benefits that extend to your physical well-being and even the environment. Just think about it. Regular walks in the park, forest bathing, or even gardening can significantly ramp up your level of physical activity. This, in turn, can strengthen your heart, improve your stamina, and keep those pesky calories at bay. But it's not just about breaking a sweat. Nature therapy can also help you catch some quality shut-eye. The serene ambience, the gentle rustle of leaves, or the rhythmic lullaby of a brook can all contribute to a deeper, more restful sleep. And let's not forget our beautiful planet Earth. When we connect with nature, we develop an innate desire to protect it. We become more conscious of our actions, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. So, nature therapy can improve your mental health, physical health, and even the health of our planet. In conclusion, Nature therapy offers a powerful tool for improving mental health. By immersing ourselves in the natural world, we can tap into its soothing effects and harness its potential to heal. Nature therapy techniques like forest bathing, mindful nature walks, or gardening can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. These methods are not just beneficial for our mental well-being, but also for our physical health. Exposure to nature can improve cardiovascular health, boost the immune system, and promote better sleep. Moreover, it's a flexible form of therapy. Whether you live in a bustling city or a quiet countryside, there are always ways to connect with nature. It could be as simple as visiting a local park, starting a small herb garden on your windowsill, or even listening to nature sounds. Embracing nature therapy can lead to a healthier, happier life. So why not give it a try?